Areas that we've really made a huge impact is on street racing.
Street racing in the city. They've noticed a problem regarding this since February.
Oh, ain't like this shutting down, boy. And Birmingham with it. Somebody getting their car towed.
And my boy, that's Bruno, no into that purple and black. No, this not a regular rap. Don't turn up the channel, no Bruno, keep vids like some ammo, they barely prepare. Take a challenger right off the asphalt and straight to the wall to 100K, so by the share. And every time you hear Lamar, you know Bruno just out the vid, we gon' burn from her. Oh, the littest, YouTuber living, cause ain't no one living like this, so that's Bruno done did it again. Would you be consistent? Would you drive that boat like a pro, my bro driving it cool like a stick? Oh, that's Bruno the littest, YouTuber living.
What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy, oh, that's Brando, and I'm back with another video, man. Hey, man, say, man, you see where I'm at? You know, I'm with my bro. It's always right.
Yes, sir.
Hey, man, we in Alabama with it again. So, Alabama, hey, y'all already proved yourself to me. Whatever, my bro out here to witness this shit. So, hit that, like this video, subscribe, bro, drop a comment. We gonna go crazy tonight, you know what I'm saying? It's a classic. It's their classes out here, so we about to come out here, get turned up. Shout out to Alabama, Birmingham. Y'all always lit, y'all always show me love. So I had to bring my bro out here so he can witness this. Hey man, y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna turn back on once we get to the location. But it is f***ing turned, boy, golly. Hey man, you know who it is, man. Hey man, where we at, man?
Hey man, we in Birmingham, Alabama with your boy Uncle G, man. GHEE, man. Go like, comment, subscribe, man. You know what's going on.
Yes sir, yes sir. We outside with it, man. Birmingham with it. Somebody getting their car towed. Somebody getting their car towed. Somebody getting their shit towed. That's tough. Damn, twin, that my boy Glizzy.
He ain't gone to jail. How you doing good now?
That's crazy. That's crazy. But they got an escort. That nigga went crazy. Oh my god. That nigga went stupid.
It's about to get wild, bro.
Oh god. The night just began. He coming back. Oh god. What the band's gonna do? What the band's gonna do? Hey, he's sliding that bitch. Yeah, be careful, watch out. Not now. The doors open. Hey, he snapped. He snapped. He snapped. He snapped. That nigga snapped.
These niggas know how to drive, bro.
Traction control kicked in. That nigga snapped.
Hey, let's do it. What you say? Hey, say you want some boy, you can't eat it. Got the rest in the back shit, like no smell. Bitch got her ass shit, shit like some jelly. All the perk fuck the good, got me sweat like a red. Posted up with the plan, what she need, I mail it. Boy, you know I gotta get this shit going. If you ain't shopping, don't call my phone on the block, making plays like a blitz.
Hey man, hey, police came, went away to another location. All this is fake and it's edited. So you know what I'm saying, all this is Forza, you know what I'm saying? So we're playing the game right now, I'm just showing y'all the gameplay and stuff. So all this is fake. Hey, I hit this like button and subscribe to the channel, man. We out here in Mexico, getting y'all the good ass content. Yes sir.
You smell like bitch got her ass shit, shit like some jelly. All the perk fuck the good, got me sweating like a red. Posted up with the plan, what she need, I mail it. Boy, you know I gotta get this shit going. If you ain't shopping, don't call my phone on the block, making plays like a blitz in my van. Right shit, boy, this shit straight off the day. Niggas beef on the net like they sponsor with pain. Corn on the beat, this ain't hit every song. Been trying to do right, but I'm scared of this. Ain't trying to see it. Trying to walk down like a heel. Look like I'm starved, trying to touch me in the name. Like Justin, ain't no corn, bitch in the face. Even more shit, think corn play for the beat. But long way walk, I keep my shit safe. Like a rock side, paint boy, just like a thing. Hey, bullets get hot, sides ain't like an E. I fuck on this bitch, give a fuck how you feel. I call me rude and slide on shit. This bitch said she love when I fuck you with cheese. I'm having them bows, but I ain't giving no drink. Better stay out of the rooms, I crash out. You better stay out of the way, cause this shit can get hurt. Y'all niggas, I ain't on my mind like this. Shit scary, might see
be too loud with that engine. New mocha's 500, he dripping expensive. I know how I get it, them trenches.